Today in this video I will show you how to fix windows.system.diagnostics.trace reporting.platform-diagnostic-actions.dll missing in Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, copy this video title and open any web browser and paste. Open this first link. Now in here click on download. Now download this first file. Now click on show in folder. Double click on it. Copy this windows.system and paste on desktop. Now open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows. Now open folder System32. Now drag and drop this downloaded file. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now click on replace the file destination and continue. And after, close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, this method will work and this method resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.